Actually, I'm successfully broken current Guinness World Record, most Rubik's Cube solved on underwater category. The previous record was set by Anthony Brooks, 2014 August 1st. Last 6 years, it was a current Guinness World Record. Now, after 6 years, no one broke this record, so I just practiced last 1.5 years for this event. No one till now not attending this record. Around the world, the only 5% of population only solving Rubik's Cube. Across the 5%, the 4,000 people are from our school only. So I want to be a good inspiration and a good mentor for my students also.